Hello, this video is for absolute beginners and should be watched before you even consider hitting those buttons. Common mistake number one: you just spent several $1,000s or several thousand units of your currency to buy a fairly advanced and expensive piece of equipment, and then you plug it to your wall outlet or $10 surge protectors. Seriously? You must invest some money into uninterruptible power supply. Then be fair, then better. While you're waiting for your machine to arrive, make sure you stock up on consumables. You will need as many engraving blanks as you can, with exception of those ones. Answer to the question why is on my other video. It's good idea to order all kind of engraving blanks. Have a handy pieces of metal like a brass, stainless steel, aluminium. I buy in the thrift shops cheap cups so I can practice engraving. Silverware, again cheap one, maybe from a thrift shops. Bunch of engraving blanks like here. A lot of them will be destroyed before you can call your quality good enough for commercial purposes. To make next point, I need to remind you what a fiber laser is. This is a device that evaporates metal using flashlight on steroids. I talk about sublimation, instant breaking molecular bonds, when metal goes from solid to gas state. If you think you can play with this level of power and do not have or do not use eye protection, buying fiber laser is the biggest mistake of your life. Use goggles. Strongly advise upgrading to something higher end than ones that come with it. You can put something between you and the workpiece. You can use a webcam as one I have here. It works great with a box which blocks light from going directly into my eyes. The good way to monitor progress of your engraving without being exposed to the light is use of a phone or preferably big tablet between you and the workpiece. Alternatively, you can build an enclosure with 1024 nanometers blocking window. As you can see, I have 4 out of 5 those protective measures. I have a webcam, I have a screen device, I have a goggles, and a using box when I need it. Next thing you must have is exhaust system. Make sure you have plenty of measuring devices. You will be using them constantly. Make sure you have plenty of cleaning supplies. Workplace is extremely important as well. Do not install this device in your bedroom on wobbly table. You and your family do not need to breathe all this stuff. Put it in a workshop or garage. Make sure that table is very strong and heavy. I use very old metal desk left here from time it was US Armory. Laser is not very tolerant to vibrations and bumps. If you can put it next to the window as I have, it is a big plus. Do not place your laser in front of an air intake of a laser source. You do not want any particles getting inside and destroying electronics. Make sure you do your cleanups regularly. And finally, computer. If you plan to work with graphics on same machine, make sure you have computer with plenty of USB ports to plug keyboard, mouse, flash drives, and so on. If you buy it for business and hope that consumers will give you graphics ready to engrave, you are naive. You will need software for vector graphics, such as a CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator, as well as knowledge how to use it. Make sure you addressed all of those points before you turn on your laser. Thank you. Your support is very important for me.